Here's interesting app, Benjamin Earn Cash Rewards. So let's just take a look. So, this is the app if you want to make some additional cash. Make an extra $50 a month, join the group of 140K other users. Earn with every moment. You can get paid from games, surveys, testing apps, making purchases, and store visits. Play free games and earn real money. Make money taking surveys. Earn daily streak rewards. So yeah, if you just commuting every day or sitting somewhere in traffic jam, whatever, you can just use this app, just make few clicks and earn some additional $50 or so. I don't know how legit is this, but yeah, seems it's quite high in the charts in the financial apps. So seems you can start just with $5 bonus. Unleash the full power of your phone and start getting paid real cash rewards from playing games, making purchases, doing surveys, watching videos, and to all kinds of money moments with Benjamin, the best money staking app. So here you can just open it up and then you just, so yeah, after entering passwords, you are almost done. You can allow notifications. You can enable Safari extension. You can enable location-based tracking. And then you can just earn your rewards from 3 new challenge arcade games. And then, so here it is. If you want to connect your Played bank account, you can earn additional $5. And then basically you just browse the app and there are a bunch of games, challenges, which you're doing here. Game Hub, play games and rewards, Benjamin AI, then it's like AI chat, then there are hotels where you can get some 40% cashback and car rentals up to 20% cashback. Then there is your profile, then there are your settings. So yeah, that's the app. If you want to earn some additional cash, I think this is one of the best apps right now. Then you have your wallet, and if you want to withdraw, you need to have a minimum balance of $25 in order to withdraw your money. So there you have it.